Most cat owners think their cat never apologizes. And honestly, that's fair. Cats don't whimper, they don't sulk, and they definitely don't come up to you and say sorry. But here's the thing, they do apologize. You've just been misreading it your entire life. 1. The slow blink. After a tense moment, your cat sits across the room, looks right at you, and then slowly closes their eyes. That's not them ignoring you, that's them trying to fix things. A 2020 study out of the University of Sussex confirmed that slow blinking is a genuine social signal between cats and humans. Cats are significantly more likely to slow blink back when a human initiates it, even with strangers. Think about what that means physically. A predator choosing to go temporarily blind in front of someone it perceives as a threat. That's not casual behavior. That's trust being offered deliberately. What most people don't know is that when you ignore it, when you stay tense and don't blink back, your cat's brain registers it as a failed repair attempt. Do it enough times, and they quietly stop trying. Next time your cat locks eyes with you and blinks slowly, blink back, softly, slowly. It literally changes the dynamic. 2. Headbutting. Your cat just knocked something off the shelf, you're annoyed, and then out of nowhere, they walk up and press their forehead right into your hand. That's called bunting. Cats have scent glands concentrated around their forehead, cheeks, and chin. When they press against you, they're leaving their scent on you. And in the world of a cat, scent is relationship. Stress changes your body chemistry, and your cat can actually detect that shift. So they walk over and, quite literally, remark you as theirs. 3. Belly exposure. Your cat gets scolded, and then they roll over and show you their belly. Most people see this as an invitation to pet them. They reach down, the cat swipes, and now the owner thinks their cat was being manipulative. But the cat wasn't asking to be touched. A cat's belly is their most vulnerable area, vital organs, no protection. Exposing it voluntarily after tension is as close to surrender as a cat gets. They're saying, "I'm not a threat. Please don't be upset with me." Rubbing that belly in that moment violates the vulnerability they just offered you. Instead, stay calm, lower your voice, maybe offer a slow blink. That's how you actually receive the apology. 4. Silent proximity. After a tense moment, your cat starts appearing wherever you go. Not meowing, not rubbing against you, just there, sitting quietly in the same room. Cats are not clingy by nature. When they want space, they disappear. So when a cat chooses to follow you room to room in silence, that's not clinginess. Behavioral researchers call it proximity maintenance, and it's been observed in bonded primates after conflict too. Your cat is saying, "I'm not going to force this, but I'm not leaving either." Honestly, we do the same thing after a disagreement with someone we love. We don't always say anything. We just sit in the same room. We exist nearby. Your cat is doing exactly that. Cats don't apologize the way we do. No words, no grand gestures, just small, quiet signals that are incredibly easy to miss. And if you've been missing them, it's not your fault. Nobody teaches us this stuff. But now you know what to look for. Slow blinks, headbutts after conflict, a belly roll that isn't an invitation, silent company. If this changed how you see your cat, drop a comment. I'd genuinely love to know.